my name is Stephanie, and I am one of the 2 teachers from Double Dose of Learning. I'm so excited to talk to you today about our brand new Pocketbook unit called Discovering the 4 Seasons. It's geared towards 1st and 2nd grade and is a resource that you can use for the entire year with your students. So let's take a detailed look at Discovering Fall, which is one of the 4 units that is included in this mega pocketbook. The detailed description of activities, pacing guide, and lesson plans allows you to put all of this information easily into your own lesson plan format without any additional planning. It's all right here for you. For example, it gives targeted goals, understandings, performance tasks, targeted vocabulary words, materials, and even optional titles of text to use with your class to supplement what is learned throughout this unit. The student workbook is one of the first activities that you can use with your class to introduce the topic. Students can read for information on the topic and then answer comprehension questions at the bottom of each page. Students may benefit from working with a partner or even in a small group. For students below level, you may choose to open the document onto a smartboard and read along with them in a whole group setting. In the student workbook, there are vocabulary words embedded on each page that are consistently referred to throughout the unit, so students have many opportunities to learn about and demonstrate knowledge of these key words and concepts. The bold vocabulary words that are used throughout the student workbook are also shown on colorful vocabulary cards that you can print, laminate, and display throughout your classroom, maybe on a word wall or on your bulletin board, or even provide individual copies for your students so they get complete exposure to the new words and topics that they are studying. We have also created puzzle pieces that can be laminated, cut apart, and then given for students to independently practice matching the word, picture, and definition. You can continue to use the puzzle pieces, the vocabulary cards, and the student workbook to reinforce concepts throughout the unit. This is our vocabulary flipbook that's interactive and provides more practice for students to demonstrate their knowledge of the vocabulary words. Students are given colorful pictures that they cut, match, and then paste next to the correct word. They also write the definition for the word in this blank space here. You can begin the unit by engaging your class with a colorful PowerPoint presentation to grab their attention and get them thinking about the topic. Each slide corresponds with the information that is given in the student workbook, so your students will have multiple exposures to the same information so they can really master the topic. After the PowerPoint, easily move into a group discussion after the open-ended question is given on the last slide to give students a chance to demonstrate their knowledge about the topic. Revisit the PowerPoint throughout the week based on the needs of your class and the time frame of your lesson. Use the colorful pictures and text that's included at the end of the unit to create beautiful anchor charts that you can display in your classroom. It can serve as a model to help students identify and recognize main concepts, ideas, and characteristics about the topic presented. For example, with this fall anchor chart, students will demonstrate knowledge of fall changes, fall clothing, different activities you can do in the fall, and fall holidays. And I even suggest passing out these pieces to your class and calling them up one at a time to determine where it goes and even give some information about the piece that they have in hand. So everyone is involved in the creation of this chart. And if you do it at the beginning of the unit, you can put this on display and constantly refer back to it as you continue to reteach and practice these concepts with your kids. After students have acquired knowledge about this topic, it is then time for them to complete their own work independently. they can use multiple graphic organizers that we have provided to organize their thoughts and ideas. Another option for differentiation are these pictures that relate to different content areas discussed in the unit. So students can choose what is related to fall and then cut and paste into this graphic organizer. We've also included multiple writing pages for students to create their own written work and write a paragraph based on the new information that they have learned. Multiple activities are included to supplement the content learned through the student comprehension workbooks and PowerPoint presentation. These activities can be used for morning work, early finisher work, or even given out for homework. Activities include putting key vocabulary words in ABC order, a crossword puzzle, acrostic poem, and a word search. Students can finish the unit in a fun way by creating smart art, where they write a paragraph independently to demonstrate what they have learned, and then color a picture to go on the front. Smart art is perfect for bulletin board displays, or you can even hang them around the classroom. As you move through the multiple parts of this unit with your class, students can stay organized by keeping all of their work in this Pocketbook portfolio. They love when they get to bring it home to show off all of the work they have done and then use it as a reference to refer back to. Administrators also love to see student work displayed in these Pocketbook portfolios. It gives them a single glance at all of the rich activities that they have completed to demonstrate knowledge they have learned about this topic. So if you like how the content was presented and organized in this Discovering Fall Pocketbook, just remember that all of the pocketbooks we've created are set up with the same style and format. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about our Pocketbook units. We have been using Pocketbooks with our classes for years, and we have seen so many positive student outcomes from the organization of materials that these Pocketbooks present. We hope that your class loves them as much as ours did, and feel free to email us with any questions that you may have. We hope to connect with you soon on social media, so check the description below for our blog, our social media information, and even our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Thank you.